Friends, welcome, it's you here, and I'm going to share with you technical analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and Cardano today. Remember about our previous updates that we recorded a few days ago, most of plans really played out good. Let's start from BTC at this moment, after that cover next major coins. I prepared for you trading plans. That means all of this stuff will take not a lot of your time. Firstly, it is about BTC. At this moment, BTC did this local rise, and still price moves around this point of control. Globally, BTC is still in the middle of this range, and honestly, at this moment, it is really hard place to trade. Because why? Because there could be this range for a while. What will be a really good place to take trade on BTC? It is if price will do something like this one, liquidity hunt. Have a look on this example for you of liquidity hunts. And at this moment, I would be happy to take long on BTC if price would reach one of these key levels, and that would be significant volume. In other cases, risk reward really bad. The next one, let's cover Ethereum. If you remember, before I told such Ethereum trading plan to reach this major key zone at 1271. The price exactly played out. Remember on a previous stream, price of ETH were here, and I told that they're going to reach this area. They exactly did it. At this moment, there could be only one risky idea that I have. If Ethereum would make some rehighs, there could be potentially a retest of this low volume node. That's it. Because also Ethereum as BTC, it is globally in the middle of this massive range. And in a case, if Ethereum breaks this significant volume, that volume would become next support, and only after that I will really have plans to keep it into this area. In other cases, we should do only scalp trades. That means summary on ETH. If there would be fake up, we take short. Here we look for long, and if price fix above this area, we will have plans into this area. Friends, before I'll share with you Solana and other coins, remind to you that below this video you'll find two important links. First one, to join our free educational Discord channel and download a PDF guide that will help you understand our strategy and make money with that. All of this stuff for free, just use this below in description. The next one, it was ETH. The next one, let's do BNB. BNB also played out as we expected. Remember this one. Everything starts from this major accumulation. BNB go on. BNB, by the way, exactly reached this low volume node, and after that, if you saw previous video, I told you that there should be some trap, and after that rise. BNB did this small rise. Price, by the way, they did some small trap, and after that did this rise. What about at this moment on BNB right now? Right now, I would be really happy to see some pullback into this area, and after that resume of rise, because at this moment, at any time, there could be some stop loss hunt, and after that it would be really perfect to take a trade. Nearly the same happened here. Pay attention. They made this trap, and after that they did beautiful pump. Major volume, and another reason why I think some rise possible, because of this major volume at 250 in a footprint of spot. This volume could become really beautiful support in the future. Friends, if you enjoy what we do right now, push like, follow us, because you can see how accurate our analysis. Also, you can learn how we do this stuff by just download free PDF, and you can join our community where we share our personal trades with stop losses and take profits. In description, all data. After two more coins left. Let's do Solana and Cardano. Two more coins left. Globally, about Solana, remind to you, we at this moment work in the middle of this major plan. This major plan that Solana reached this major area, and at this moment, after again retesting this big volume, there could be some pullback, because for price it's really difficult to break such significant zone first time. By the way, for you, I prepared a whole lesson about volume profile. I will add link to this playlist, whole playlist, in the description. You will be able to watch. That's why about Solana, what exactly we do right now. As I told here, if Solana reaches this sell zone nearly 14 here, it would be really a good place to take short. And Solana exactly, have a look, Solana exactly yesterday were close to this sell zone. Maybe it took few pips and bounced it before. What we can do at this moment, if you took short by my recommendation, just keep it, because Solana really in a good place. Another potential idea could be if Solana again reaches this area and significant volume appears, there could be like last chance to take short. That's it. And a few words about Cardano at this moment. Pay attention to Cardano, what's going on. Cardano at this moment, yesterday, bounced from this significant volume profile area and reached this imbalance. And at this moment, I think Cardano could make a pullback into this area. I, by the way, sent a signal to our community members. If the price of Cardano retest this significant volume at 27.38, we take short. And after that, if Cardano reaches this area, here would be a good place to take long. And friends, at this moment, watch this lesson about volume profile. I will add a whole playlist. Enjoy, learn how to make money with us. Thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye.